What's up guys? So today I'm doing a Samsung Galaxy Note 2 S Pen demo. So let's start. First we're gonna take off the S Pen. This is a handwriting, so let's start. Take a note. So something. Oh, the white. So take a block and there's something. Hey. This works pretty well. And another thing you can do, shapes. Here, draw shapes. So example, I'm gonna draw this one, so I can recognize it. Draw circle, square, a diamond. There. So thanks for watching, and see you again in the future. Bye. Please don't like this video.